reading the Texas County Trends heat map in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how to read the shading, hover a county for its numbers, and go from a strong county straight into its accounts. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Sales County Trends from your dashboard. This heat map shows category trends across every Texas county at once, per county beer receipts growth over the last 12 months versus the prior 12. Darker shading means stronger activity. The legend runs from a sharp decline on one end to strong growth on the other, so you can read where the category is expanding versus cooling at a glance. Hover over any county to see its actual numbers, volume, trend direction, and change versus the prior period. This is the fastest way to answer where distribution efforts should go next. Click a county to drill in further and see the accounts and license activity behind that number, so you go straight from a strong county into the accounts sitting inside it.